Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I will show you one good deal that is free at the moment on AppSumo. AppSumo team released few early special deals before main Black Friday event, and as part of that there is video conversion software called EaseUS, which is available for PC and Mac. So it is all-in-one video toolkit. You will be able to convert your videos, compress, work with audio, make GIFs, and all of that free of charge at the moment. I will show you right now the version for Mac and how to get that, though please pay attention that it has such low review score because Mac version is a bit reduced in functionality at the moment. However, the founders were replying that Mac version has reduced functionality because they just started working on this. And for example, one of the reviews was mentioning that it has only converter and compressor, and already I see other features being added. So I believe Mac version will become as powerful as PC version very soon. Okay, so how to get free license? You just need to go to deal page, which I will leave in the description, then press get now for free, then proceed to checkout, and then just place order now. And that's it, you have your product for free. Then go to view product, where you will be given the code with which you will need to activate the application. Then you will need to go to this website and just choose Windows or Mac version that you want to download. And again, this deal is free right now at the moment for a few days, I believe. And regular price is almost $80 for a lifetime deal. And you're getting that for free at the moment. Then you will need to follow the instruction to get license key. Then you will need to open the application, press upgrade, enter license code, and enter your license here, then activate. I have activated my copy. I can see I have Pro version. So let's see what this application can do. We can use it as video converter. For example, I have uploaded a video in MOV format and I can convert it to MP4. So I will be able to edit that, let's say in DaVinci Resolve or any other video editing software. We can change the quality as well and the formats for the conversion. We can target for specific resolution or can use predefined resolutions, but let's keep initial settings and convert. The conversion just ended and we can see that in finished section. We can play it. Check in another feature, video compressor. Using the same file, let's have it in low quality. We can choose different formats, and the compression quality we can choose using this convenient slider. So let's target to a small size, like so. Also we can see projected file size, and now let's compress. Okay, so the video was compressed successfully. With these settings provided, I can see resulted file as 150 megabytes, and it was about 300. Okay, what else do we have in this tool? We have audio converter. I have loaded MP3 file, and we can choose between input and output formats. We have a lot to choose from. Also, there is audio extractor. I tested it with my video in format of MOV, requested converted to MP3 in high quality, and in the result got my MP3 file. What else is available? We have GIF maker. Here I loaded a video of my board mix review, chosen a time frame from 42 to 52 seconds, just as an example. Let's choose 30 frames and create new GIF. Okay, now the GIF is ready, and here it is, our GIF file. Alright, so moving to a conclusion. I think you need to hurry and grab this deal while it is still available as free deal on a Black Friday event. I'm not sure when it will become paid version again, and it does what it promises. It is a video converter, all-in-one toolkit. The Mac functionality is reduced at the moment, but the EaseUS team is working to make it as powerful as Windows version. So to get this deal, please check the link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.